ka?
Naka-base po ako sa Bataan, but I am born and raised in Mindanao po.
Ah, okay. So, by the way, ano palang profession mo?
I am a public school teacher. Alam naman natin na kahit public school teacher ay hindi naman talaga sasapat yung kinikita ng isang public school teacher. And good thing na lang po na meron po akong nakilala na nag-introduce po sa akin sa program na to. Talagang ang laking tulong po na magkaroon ng additional income as a public school teacher and at the same time breadwinner.
Actually, habang nagsasalita ka, nakita ko kasi yung cheque mo. Okay lang bang malaman magkano yung laman ng cheque mo? Ay, 12,000. Ilang araw mong income yan?
This is 1 week po.